Okay, do you know what is a compiler? Okay, anyone, you can type in the chat box. I'm checking your chat box as well. Okay, no. Compiler is a translator, okay? Compiler translate whatever we are writing here, all of the code that we are writing to convert it to 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is a series of the 0, 1. That's we call machine code. Compiler compile, translate whatever we are writing here to machine language, okay? That's why we call compiler. Whatever we are writing here to convert to 0, 1, 0, 1. Always computers in a back end working this series numbers, okay? That's why we call compiler. All of the coding that we are writing, they need to have a compiler. It could be online, or it could be software that you need to install, or app you need to install on your tablet or cell phone or computers. Okay, let's see the question. Okay, perfect. I love that. If you don't understand, always please comes to me, reach out to me, ask me. This is, we need to honest with each other. The point is, I try to make it simplify as much as can possible. Okay, this is my job. And this is your job. If you don't understand, always raise your question. I stay at the end of the class. I always answer all of your questions. Okay? Don't worry if you don't know. Imagine here, this is an editor or compiler. If I say compiler, another name is editor, that I am writing the code. Okay, if you look at the video said the coding is a language. Okay, what kind of the language I can write here? First language, the first coding or syntax. I say syntax because we follow the computer science rule. If I write print here, what does mean print, guys? Eric, what does mean print? You can type in the chat box. Abby, let's see here. Theo, Fiona, Rosie, what does mean print? You have any idea? Okay.